It's lovely, isn't it? Really nice start. Now the first use really tonight of augmented reality. The image with you at home. All spectators tonight were given a little drum to participate in this particular section of the evening. And we welcome Great Britain, Lizzie Yarnold, skeleton hero from Sochi. What a moment for Lizzie. Now the Olympic athletes from Russia. I didn't think you'd do it again, Robin.
Well, here it is.
The unified team under a unified flag of Korea.
Korea.